Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In my previous video, which I shared with you almost 2 weeks ago, I told you that the price line of Icon has broken out a very significant resistance, and now from here we can have a very big move. This was the video, and before this I shared a harmonic move with you, which in fact I shared at the Patreon first in the month of May for my members, and then I also shared with you. And you can see that the price line at that time just entered the buying zone, moved up. Again, it was moving in the buying zone. And I told you that we can wait for the price line to re-enter the buying zone, and then we can place our buying orders. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line again moved in the buying zone and reversed bullish and rallied up to $2.28 so far. That is more than 250% move. Now let me show you my previous idea that I shared with you in my previous video, and this was the article that I shared at the Patreon, and same idea I shared with you in my previous video as well, that the price line of Icon has broken out a very significant resistance that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.3. Therefore, I told you that from here, after this retest, you can see that we have several rejections. We have the rejection here. We also had a rejection here. We also had the rejection here. And here, finally, the price action entered in this significant resistance zone, very strong resistance zone in the month of August, almost on 11th of August, and broke out this resistance and retested the previous resistance as a support. And before this zone has been breaking as a very, very strong support as well. You can see price line entered here in this zone, moved up, here entered in this zone, moved up, and here tested this support of $1.3. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line exactly moved at the next resistance, which I told you we have at $2.3, and moved down back. Now it is very strong resistance for us, which the price line is going to break out. I'm expecting that in this move that I'm just going to share with you in current video, we can expect that the price line of KuCoin can break out this next resistance of $2.3 very soon. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Now, let me just show you the live daily time frame chart. First of all, we will watch this chart, and here we can see that previously the price action here formed this this is not down channel, this is a falling wedge, and broke out the wedge. And after breaking out, it also broke out this very significant resistance zone. Now we have the next resistance at 2.3, and next resistance after that we will have at $3. Now if I place the trend line here, we can see that the price line has found a resistance here, and this is the support. And this pattern is more visible on the 4-hourly time frame chart. I have placed these trend lines on the 4-hourly time frame chart as well. This is the 4-hourly time frame, and here we can see that the price line is rejected here and here and here and here and here as well, and we have several rejections. And from here, the price line also found an uptrend line support as well. So this is another bullish pattern, which is considered as a bearish reversal move. However, this time I'm not expecting that the price line will break down this bearish reversal pattern that is the bullish pattern, because if we switch to the hourly time frame, you can see that here the price line is being accumulated and it is moving to the upside. However, this is very nice accumulation as well. You can see that this is a kind of an up channel the price line has formed. If we switch to the hourly time frame, then this move is more clear. And I have placed the trend lines for this up channel here on this chart, and you can see that the price line is rejected here, bounced here, rejected here 2 times, and bounced here. We had several retests here, and rejected here, bounced here, and finally we have the last rejection here. And now it is possible that the price line will again test the support of this up channel on the hourly time frame, and it will be moved up. And this is the reason, this support of this up channel is the reason that the price line is not going to test this support of this bullish pennant after this candlestick. And once the price line will break out this channel, after breakout, it is possible that soon it will also break out this resistance of this bullish pennant as well. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this bullish pennant, then our next target, the imminent next target in that situation can be, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at $2.75. So in that situation, the price line can also try to break out the next resistance. Definitely price line will break out the next resistance of $2.3, but it can also try to break out this resistance of $3 very soon. So next few hours are very important because the price line is moving in this bullish pan, and yes, in case of breakdown, we can also expect this move as well. But in this situation, we can see that it is giving us the projection up to 98 cents. But we also have a very significant support zone here that starts from $1.3 and goes to $1.15. So it is now very difficult for the price line to break down this support. And I'm not even expecting that the price line will break down this support of this bullish pennant as well. I'm expecting a breakout, and soon we can expect that the price line will be moved at least up to this level. That will be the next target of this bullish pennant, and it can also try to break out this resistance of $3 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.